Welcome to this lesson on placing the Dexcom G6 sensor. In this video, we will focus on correctly placing and removing the Dexcom G6 sensor to ensure accurate readings and comfortable wear. Let's walk through the process step by step. 1. Supplies. To successfully place the sensor, gather the following supplies: a sensor with sensor applicator, a transmitter, and alcohol wipes for proper hygiene. 2. Inserting the sensor. Follow these steps to insert the sensor effectively. Start by washing your hands and disinfecting the area of skin where the sensor will be placed. Remove the protective film from the Dexcom G6 applicator, taking care not to touch the adhesive patch. Position the applicator on the designated area of the skin. Fold and break off the orange safety clip. Press the orange button to insert the sensor and then remove the applicator. This ensures the sensor is securely inserted and can remain in place for 10 days. However, remember that you still need to insert the transmitter. Disinfect the transmitter connection using an alcohol wipe and let it dry. Insert the transmitter, aligning the narrow side first into the sensor and snapping it into place. 2 clicks will confirm that the transmitter was inserted correctly. Gently rub the area around the sensor patch 3 times to ensure the adhesive patch sticks firmly. Now your transmitter is also securely in place. Remember, this transmitter can be reused for the next 3 months. 3. Removing the sensor. When it's time to remove the sensor after the 10-day wear period, perform the following steps for a safe removal. Remove the patch from your skin. Break off the sensor tab on the wide round side of the sensor holder. Slide the transmitter out of the sensor holder. Keep the transmitter for reuse in your next sensor. 4 do's and don'ts. Here are a few key tips to keep in mind. When placing the sensor, it is recommended not to press the inserter too firmly in order to avoid bleeding. Bleeding is not automatically a reason to remove the sensor. Clean the sensor holder if there is blood before inserting the transmitter. If the bleeding persists or the insertion site is uncomfortable, remove the sensor. After placing the sensor, the transmitter can be clicked into the sensor holder. Caution! First click in the transmitter tab on the narrow side and then press down the round side. Keep the sensor and transmitter code as it will be required for future sensor startups. Consider taking a picture of it to avoid misplacing or losing the code. Remove all transmitter numbers from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Failure to do so may result in the device continuously searching for the old transmitter. If you encounter any technical difficulties, please reach out to your local Dexcom technical support for assistance. While Dexcom absolutely does not support this, some people attempt to resolve the issue by disconnecting the sensor and transmitter and repeating the setup process. To remove the transmitter from the holder, tools like a bank card, test strip, or hair clip are sometimes utilized. Instructional videos demonstrating these techniques can be found on YouTube, although these methods are not endorsed by Dexcom. By following these guidelines and being resilient in the face of challenges, you can confidently place and remove your Dexcom G6 sensor, optimizing its performance for accurate and reliable glucose monitoring. Even if the startup process doesn't go smoothly, remind yourself that you have options to troubleshoot and get the sensor and transmitter properly connected.